Nice to meet you. My name is Mike. Where are you from? 你知道怎么用英语来开始交谈吗？ So in English, we call this breaking the ice. 破冰 Break the ice. What does that mean? It means getting the conversation started, particularly with people you've never met or never talked to before. And this can be a little difficult, so today I'm going to give you 10 phrases you can use to break the ice and get the conversation started. 不光是专业情况下，或者你刚看到你想见的帅哥美女，你一定需要知道怎么用英语来破冰. And I'm not talking about the common phrases like, nice to meet you, my name is Mike, where are you from? No. We want to learn the good stuff. The phrases that are going to make you sound confident and fluent. So in a lot of situations when you're with people, maybe at a party or an office, these phrases will be helpful. Number 10. Hey, do you mind if I join you? Sure, no problem. Have a seat. Do you mind if I join you? Do you mind if I join you? Number 9. So, what do you do? Well, I'm a teacher here in Shanghai. 你说这样的固定短语，汉译就是 work. What's your work? What's your job? What do you do? What do you do? Now, if you're out at a dinner or a party, these next few phrases might be very helpful. Number 8. So, are you enjoying yourself? Yeah, this is a great place. I really like it here. Are you enjoying yourself? Are you enjoying yourself? Number 7. What's good to eat here? Well, the pasta's really good, and I also like the lasagna. What's good to eat here? What's good to eat here? Number 6. Is this place always so busy? Yeah, I guess it's really popular. What's your name? Is this place always so busy? Is this place always so busy? 我不知道为什么，但是美国人和英国人最喜欢聊的是天气。Number 5. Can you believe this weather? I know, I can't believe how hot it is today. Can you believe this weather? Can you believe this weather? Number 4. So, how do you like it here in Shanghai? Yeah, it's great. There's lots of opportunities and amazing restaurants. I like it a lot. How do you like it here? How do you like it here? How do you like it here at our company? How do you like it here at our school? Number 3. So how do you know Tom? Oh, Tom and I used to work together 2 years ago. So how do you know Tom? Number 2. This is a great way to break the ice. But be careful, it might come off a little flirty depending on how you say it. But the idea is to just give a compliment. I really like your dress. I really like your hair today. I really like your shoes. Oh, well, thank you. That's very nice. I'm sorry, have we met? I really like your. Just say a compliment. And number 1, the easiest and best way to break the ice. Hi, how's it going? Pretty good, I guess. I'm Mike. That's it. Just, hi, how's it going? Hi, how's it going? So now you have no excuses for not meeting the people you want to know. Just go out there and try it and let the conversation flow naturally. As you know, I believe speaking and practicing your oral English is the best way to achieve English fluency. So get out there and break some ice. And if you have any other good icebreakers that have worked well for you, please leave them in the comments below. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。Just for fun, I'll give you one more bonus icebreaker. This one could be a little dangerous and it requires some confidence. Hi, have we met before? No, I don't think so. Oh, my name is Mike. How are you doing?